Welcome to Smart School Kids Zone, your favorite school.
Yes, welcome to Smart School Kids Zone, your favorite school. And today we will see heavy and light or heaviest and lightest. So let's start. See here, heavy and light. So first we will see what is heavy and what is light. See here, heavy, the object which have more weight than other object is called heavy. So heavy and light is concept related to the weight of that object. If that object has more weight than other object, then it is called heavy. Let's see what is light. The object which have less weight than other object is called light. So if you see here, this dolphin fish, suppose this fish has weight 1000 kg, then this small fish has a weight about 500 gram. So if we compare between these two fish, then we can say this dolphin is heavy and this small fish is light. Okay, so this heavy and light concept is related to the weight of that object. Let's see the examples. Before that, we will see, visit our website, that is smartschool.infolips.com, or you can follow us on Facebook, Twitter and Instagram. You also visit our educational Android game and craft channel, which links are given in the description. Please do visit, you will enjoy and you will get more information. So let's continue. Heavy and light. See here, first example. Circle the heavier and cross the lighter. So this is picture. There are two fruits. One is pineapple and another one is olive. So pineapple has big mass. It means more weight. And this olive is very small. So it has very less weight. So that's why we can say pineapple is
Heavy.
right. So pineapple is heavy. That's why we put circle to the pineapple, and olive is light. So we will put cross to the olive fruit. Okay. Let's see one more example. See there. There is cylinder and one bottle. Tell me which one is heavy and which one is light.
Cylinder is heavy and the bottle is light.
Right, cylinder is heavy because it has more weight. So we will put circle to the cylinder, and bottle is light. So we will put cross to the bottle. Okay?
Yes.
Let's see more example. Again, circle the heavier and cross the lighter. See here example. Okay, there is one hippo and another one is squirrel. So we know that the squirrel has very less weight than hippo. So that's why who is heavy and who is lighter?
Hippo is heavy and squirrel is light.
Right, hippo is heavier and squirrel is light. So we will put cross to the squirrel and circle to the hippo. Let's see one more example. See there. There is one peacock feather and there is one fruit. One is heavy and which one is light?
Fruit is heavy and feather is light.
Right. That's fruit is heavy. So we will put circle to the fruit, and peacock feather is very light. So we will put cross to the feather. Okay?
Okay.
Let's see one more example. See here, there is bus and one is auto rickshaw. So which one is heavy and which one is light?
Auto is light and bus is heavy.
Right, bus is heavy because it has bigger and also has more weight. That's why we will put circle to the bus, and auto rickshaw is light compared to the bus. That's why we will put cross to the auto rickshaw. Let's see here. Now you will confuse. There is one ball and one balloon. Now tell me which one is heavy and which one is light.
Ball is heavy, balloon is light.
Right, ball is heavy and balloon is light. So don't compare with their shape. Even balloon shape is more than ball, but still it is light because weight is not compared with their shape. Okay, weight is not compared with their shape. So even the ball is small in size, it is very much heavy than the balloon. That's why we will put circle to the ball and cross to the balloon. Okay, so remember it. Don't compare with the size of the object. Just heavy and light is compared with their weights. Okay, let's see. Now we will see the heaviest and lightest. What? Heaviest and lightest. So first we will see what is heaviest. The object which have more weight than other all objects. Means whenever we compare more than two objects, that time if any object has more weight, then we can say that is heaviest. And the object which have less weight than other all objects is called lightest. See here example. So there are three fish. First one is dolphin, second one is small fish, and third one is little bit bigger than second one. So the dolphin is very bigger and it has more weight. So its dolphin is heaviest in these three fish. And this blue middle one is very light. That's why we will say lightest in these three fish. Okay, so whenever we compare more than two objects, that time we have to say heaviest or lightest. And if we compare only two objects, that time we will say heavy and light. Okay, let's see some more examples. So put one dot for the heaviest and put the cross for the lightest. Okay, see here the example. The picture is given cow, lamb and goat. So we know that the cow has more weight. That's why we will put the circle to the cow. And lamb has very less weight compared to other cow and goat. So that's why we will put cross to the lamb because it is lightest and cow is heaviest. Okay, Bhavi, tell me. See, there are four fruits. Now tell me which one is heaviest and which one is lightest.
Watermelon is heaviest and strawberries lightest.
Right. In these four fruits, watermelon is very big and it has more weight. So that's why we will say the watermelon is heaviest, and this strawberry fruit is very small in size and also it has very less weight. And that's why we will say it is lightest. So circle will come under the watermelon and cross will come under the strawberry. Okay, see one more example. Okay, So there are 4 animals: elephant, ox, rat and rabbit. Now tell me which one is heaviest and which one is lightest?
Elephant is heaviest and rat is lightest.
Right, elephant is heaviest because it has very more weight than other all animals. So that's why elephant is heaviest and rat is lightest because it is very small and it has very less weight. So that's why we will put circle under the elephant and cross under the rat. Okay? Wow, see here, both comparison we will do, so we will understand very well. So this is a small concept to remember it, what is heavy and light or what is heaviest and lightest. See here, there are 2 camels. So first one is bigger one and second one, this one is very small one. So we easily understand that this camel will have more weight. So we can say it is heavy and this camel has very less weight compared to this. That's why we will say it is light. Understand?
Yes.
Whenever comparison between 2 objects, then we can say it is heavy or light. And the comparison between more than 2 objects, then only we can say it is heaviest or lightest. There should be at least 3 objects or more than that, 4, 5, 6. In this situation we can say which has more weight will say heaviest and which has very less weight can say it is lightest. Okay? Okay, Bhavi?
Yes.
I hope you understand this heavy and light and heaviest and lightest concept. So thank you very much. If you like this video, then please click the like button. And if you like to do comment, please do. Also, please share with your friends this video and subscribe our channel for more such videos and press the bell icon. See you in the next video. Till then, bye.